Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rahul once again, and in this video you are going to see how to connect Shopify stores with your Dropshiply platform. Okay, so let's quickly jump on to marketplace and go to ecom platforms, and you can see here the app is already installed. So simply go to channels part and go on the Shopify tab. So if you click on the Shopify tab, you will see that there are 2 or 3 details which are necessary to connect your Shopify store with Dropshiply platform. So first one is the store Shopify channel URL, then API key and API access token. Okay, so if you don't know how to find these details, we have an article located over here, so you can simply go and check this article to connect. Otherwise just follow the tutorial. Okay, so to connect your Shopify store, simply log into your Shopify store. So this is my Shopify store, and you have to go to the apps section. Okay, so click on apps and you will see something like app and sale channel settings. So once you go there, you will see some already installed apps, but if you have not installed any app in your store, you need to go here, develop apps for your store. Okay, so once you go there, you have to create a custom app from create an app. So simply name it with your name, such as Dropshiply or something else, and simply give it your store name, something like this. And then the app developer is obviously your account admin. So once you do that, you have to configure your admin API scopes. Okay, so simply go here, and now you can decide which things you want to give access to this API. So what I would like you to do is just select most of the things when you don't know what you exactly want to use later. So it's better that you give most of the things access here. Okay, I want to manage fulfill orders, navigation, store pages, order editing. Definitely we need orders, payment terms, price rules, product listings, products, access reports, and I think that's all. So you can just select other things as well which you want to use with the Shopify API. Okay, so now we are ready with the permissions, and don't forget you have to select the save button. After that, quickly jump to the API Credentials tab, and you have to install this app. So install this app. Once this app is installed, one thing you have to notice very carefully is that Shopify gives you 3 things. So one is API key and secret key, and if you go and see this tab, there is this API key and admin API access token. So don't forget that if you use this API secret key, then this connection will not work. Okay, so you have to use this admin API access token. So just copy the API key from here. So this is my API key, and my API secret key, don't use this one, instead use this one. Okay, so this will be revealed only once. So admin access token. After that, you are going to use your Shopify URL. So this is my Shopify URL. Make sure there is no trailing slash at the end, and just click on add channel. Okay, now you see that your Shopify store is successfully connected with your Dropshiply platform. Okay, and you can import your orders and your products from your Shopify store. And if you would like to disconnect or delete this connection, just go here and disconnect or delete this Shopify store integration permanently. Okay, I hope you are already understood how you make things work with Shopify and Dropshiply. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.